children, today we are going to study about the Krishna Devaraya. As you know, Vijayanagara Empire was ruled from four dynasties: Sangama, Salava, Tuluva and Aravidu dynasty. In Sangama dynasty, Proudadevaraya was famous ruler, and in Tuluva dynasty, Krishna Devaraya was very famous ruler. Not only in Tuluva dynasty, Krishna Devaraya was very famous ruler in the Vijayanagar Empire, in the Vijayanagar rulers. Krishna Devaraya ruled from 1509 to 1529. As he became the ruler in the beginning, he faced many revolts in his reign, but in 1510 he seized Shivanasamudra port from Umatturu chief. His chief was appointed by Gangas, and even he supported Portuguese to capture the Goa. Even he captured Udayagiri, Cuttack from the Gajapati Prataparudra. In 1522, he recaptured Raichur from Adil Shahi king Ismail Adil Shah, and he captured Kalburgi, Bidar fort also in later. The son of Bahamanis of Bidar, he was imprisoned by their minister. Krishna Devara was released him, and he made him as a ruler of Bidar. So he got the title, that is Yavana Raja Pratishtapana Charya, as he made the prince of Bahamani Shahis to become the king. So he got the title Yavana Raja Pratishtapana Charya. Many visitors came during the period of Krishna Devaraya. In that, Domingo Pease was the famous visitor. He written in his book that Krishna Devaraya was very richest king during the Vijayanagara Empire, and he said about the Vijayanagara that he was the soft person with a strong body. He was involved in many wars and succeeded also. In 1529, Krishna Devaraya died. After him, many rulers came. In that, Ramaraya was the other king in the Tuluva dynasty. When he was ruling, he was attacked on Vijayapura. So he captured Vijayapura. In that time, the sultans of south like Bijapur Adil Shahis, Bahamani Adil Shahis, Nawabs, these all involved at a time. They all came in group and they attacked on Vijayanagara. On 23rd of January 1565, they attacked on Vijayanagar, and that was the famous war. It is known as Rakkasa Tangadi battle. Rakkasa Tangadi battle was started on 23rd January 1565. In that war, because all the sultans came in company, so that in that time Ramaraya was died in that battle, and his sons Tirumala and Venkata, they ran away from the battle and they settled in Penakonda. They went and they started their rule from Penakonda. From that day, Aravidu dynasty, from that time, Aravidu dynasty was started from Vijayanagara Empire. But they not ruled from Vijayanagara or Hampi. They ruled from Penakonda. Later, they shifted their capital to Chandragiri and next to Vellore. And in that time only, Yelahanka and Bengaluru Palegaras, who were appointed by the Chitradurga Palegaras, who were appointed by the Vijayanagara Empire, they started their rule from their in their dynasty, in their reign. So Vijayanagara Empire was declined on this step. Thank you.